Are you struggling with livestock management, missed vaccinations, poor tracking, and lower productivity? NavFarm helps you monitor animal health, breeding, and production in real time, all from one smart platform. Welcome to another episode of NavFarm. Today, we are going to showcase the application for NavFarm Livestock. Here you can see the dashboard on which you can see the entire location, sublocation, the flocks, how it is divided into heifers, calves, number of animals, the mortality count, the average body weight, even the milk health, and any other information that is required that is there on the DAPA dashboard. It will give you the running cost location-wise and the output from every location. Now I'll show you how the batches have been taken care of in NavFarm. This is a batch that has been created into NavFarm with 5 animals, 5 cows. You see, the business nature is livestock. It is dairy and milking, and what location it is, how many animals have been assigned, what is the capacity of that particular farm. Plus, here in this line, the item line, you can see there are cow that are 5, number of cow have been in this batch, and the resources, the equipment that has been put into this batch is room coolers, the aero machines, and milking parlor. Plus, you can even see how many animals and which number of animals are there in the batch. Here, you will able to see and have a count of it. After the batch creation, I'll show you how the template or the scheduler works. The scheduler is a template from which you can manage the entire batch data entry part, a daily day-to-day activities. So the day-to-day activities are being defined here, and what could be the feed that has been intaking? What are the medicines, the vaccinations, and even the direct-indirect cost of the milk and the room, coolers, and all will be defined out here. Plus, you can go ahead and even define the parameters out there. You see on the milking monitors from day 1 to day 300, it's a fixed of 250 liters of production should be there of milk on a daily level. But if it goes higher or lower than this, definitely there will be a notification that will be sent to the application on the notification bar, plus there will be notification that we sent on your WhatsApp or your email, whichever will be attached to the system. After the batch creation, it is time to do the data entry. Here, I will take the data entry. I'll open up a batch for you. Here, you can see the data entry portion has been in front of you where the parameter names, the items are there, against the item, the unit of measurement, and even what the stock is of that particular item on that particular farm will be there. Plus, you can input the item quantity here. And this is the item you can see. What quantity against what quantity you are entering, you'll be able to see here plus the unit of measurement. As you enter all the details, you can go ahead and post the data entry. And as you post the data entry, the reports will be created. Now I will take you, but before I will take you to the animal register. There is a part because animal is a bit, not like small plants or like birds that come in lot. These comes in numbers, so we have individual animal registration as well. Every animal has an individual number, like a serial number that has been given by the system. There is a RFID place also, which will be attached with the system, the RFID that you placed on that particular animal. Plus, all the details of the animals will be included in this animal register, where I'll be showing you the date of birth. If the animal has gone under calving, what was the date, how many time it has been into lactation, what is the mother, father name, and all the details of that particular animal. Now I will show you the animal calendar as well, wherein the reproduction system is taken care of through NavFarm, wherein the first, you will be able to see the history that comes down here for every animal. And now this is the calving or the date of birth, the calving date, how many days it has been into milk, and when it came into last heat will be taken into. And after that, when it comes on the heat, the insemination part begins and the pregnancy check, which has been taken care in the insemination part. Medical checkup, and the last is the calving one. How many birth, what birth date is, what animal like a female cow or a male cow was, but calf was born. It will be accumulated here, plus the doctor observations also after the calving, like the uterus wash or the medication that has been given by the doctor to the particular animal will be noted out here. And this also goes, as you can see, by tag number-wise and by animal number-wise. So all the animals will be registered here. Even the stage will be defined from here itself, whether it's a dry animal or milking animal, a pregnant animal, or maybe if it is, the animal is killed or maybe culled. So that will also be in the stage. Now after this, when we have done the data entry, we'll be showing you the reports. Okay, I will take you to the one of the reports is the animal medical report, because this is a main critical one because every animal is expensive. Well, cows or buffaloes are bigger animals that are expensive. So we keep all the animal history of that particular animal. You'll see the posting date. It tells what animal number it has gone, what is the age, and so on and so forth. You'll be able to see all the data rates of that animal and its history. Plus, you'll be seeing the breeding and performance of the fertility performance report will be also shown here. Plus, there is a transaction ledger that I'll be showing you. Transaction ledger is like if you want to see anything or everything that has happened on a particular batch, or a particular farm, or for any category, for any transaction type, for any item type, you can go ahead and filter it from here, and you'll be seeing all the details of that particular batch out here, whether it's a consumption, whether the parameter is descriptive, whether it's a direct-indirect cost, or any sort of that one. Now after this, I will be showing you the profitability report. Now you see this is the main profitability report, which is necessary for every farmer to know what exactly how his farm is performing. After that, now is the time to take you to our mobile application. The mobile application, and here you can see the dashboard on the mobile application. This is one of the features, plus you will be getting the graph as well. You will be able to see and make a quick decision. Now I'll take you to the data entry part. Here is milking and breeding, which you can see on the system. Now this is the data entry part, which will be taken care by the mobile application. One thing I wanted to tell you that our application runs on online and offline, both modes, wherein what happens whenever there is no connectivity also at any farm. Still, this will be able to put the data on that particular batch. You see, we have opened the batch for the data entry. There is consumption. There is descriptive, direct, indirect output, anything. Now we'll open a consumption part. You can see the columns are there, wherein you can go ahead and put the data, and the unit cost is also coming side by side. Okay? As you put the direct indirect cost, the output, the script of everything, you can go ahead and post the data. And as in when you post the data, similar time, the dashboard will be created where you'll be able to see the updated things on for that particular day. This is all from NavFarm. Thank you very much for viewing this.